Hi. So the last video we spoke about exploring the past ancient civilizations. Today we have a map from your box that shows these civilizations on 3 continents: Europe, Africa, Asia. The civilizations we talk about are started from 1550 to 1900 before Christianity. So we speak about these civilizations and what are the characteristics of each one. As you see on the map, there are also seas like Mediterranean Sea, Red Sea and Black Sea. Also we have rivers: Euphrates River, Red River, Nile River and Indus River. These civilizations are located on these continents. So we take a look to the map and we try to answer to the questions. The first question: what ancient civilizations are represented in the map? Second question: how long ago each of civilizations began? So when you gave me civilizations, try to give 2 to 3 to 4 civilizations. Then read the passage and do the tasks. The passage is taken from a script from the unit Exploring the Past Ancient Civilizations from your book. There have been 26 or 27 civilizations, and the world's earliest civilization is probably the Sumerian civilization. It flourished on the banks of the Tigris and Euphrates rivers in Mesopotamia. So this is the first part of the passage. It speaks about the different civilizations in the world, and the earliest one, according to the historians, they think it's the Sumerian civilization that flourished on the banks of the Tigris and Euphrates rivers in Mesopotamia about 5,500 years ago. Second civilization is the Egyptian one, 5,000 years ago. It was based along the Nile Valley in Egypt. For the Indus Valley about 4,500 years ago, and the Greek civilization started in the island of Crete on the Mediterranean Sea some 4,000 years ago. Last and not least, the Chinese civilization 4,200 years ago on the Asian continent. People had to learn to farm, to tame wild animals, and to live a humble life of a farming village because agriculture was the heart of civilizations. So farming was the basic action of all these people in all the civilizations in order to have food. The Sumerians' farming was too efficient, so they were the first to invent the agriculture. All the ancient civilizations failed because they were invaded and destroyed by powerful invaders who searched for food. So the most famous civilization for agriculture was the Sumerian. Even it exchanged food with other materials. So say whether the statements are true or false or not mentioned according to the passage. So you read the sentences I gave you and you go back to the passage in order to confirm if they are true or false or not mentioned. A. The Egyptian civilization is the earliest civilization in the world. Is it true or false or not mentioned? Most of the ancient civilizations arose along rivers. Agriculture formed the basis of ancient civilizations. Ancient civilizations were communicating. Ancient Egyptians invented agriculture. The next task: take the right answer. The oldest civilization is A, B, or C, according to the passage 2. So you take the right answer or you choose the right answer, you carry and you write down the answer or the key. So the oldest civilization, is it Greek, Egyptian or Sumerian? Second, ancient Greek civilization started near the Nile Valley or next to a river or in the island of Crete. Ancient civilizations collapsed because of internal problems or weakness or because of powerful invaders. Another task: fill the table with correct synonyms. This is related to vocabulary. So we have words and we have a table of the different about the different types in which the civilization developed. So we have the beginning, the development, the fill, and the end. The verbs are appeared, bloomed, declined, started, destroyed, originated, reached, collapsed, evolved, flourished, descended, spread, disappeared, expanded, appeared, matured, rose, established, and began. Try to classify the verbs according to their synonyms on the table. Then ask questions on the underlined information. First sentence, well, according to some historians, the world has known 26 to 27 civilizations so far. So we ask question on the underlined information. The question we ask it with WH word. Okay, so on the keys we are going to see the first grammar explorer lesson, how to ask questions with WH words, and the auxiliaries to do, to have, to be, on all the tenses. The second sentence, the world's earliest civilization is probably the Sumerian. So we ask question on the information, the Sumerian, even with WH question, but which auxiliary use and to which tense. So this is all for this video. I hope it's fruitful and useful for you and you learned a lot. Try to do the task on your own without help and give me the keys on the comment if you don't mind. And the next video I gave you the keys and the explanations of some lessons for Vocabulary Explorer and for Grammar Explorer 1. See you on the next video. Bye bye.